this video, we will learn about how to install and use WordPress plugins in those WordPress sites which has customized WP admin. If you have customized your WP admin path, then in that case, you need to first log into your WordPress dashboard, and then while adding a new plugin, you need to take care of some of the things. Here, while installation of plugin, when you click on Install Now button and then when you click on Activate, you will find some errors. This error will happen because of your renamed WP admin. Now go to the respective path which is shown in the error, and then you will find that here WP admin is written, which should be your custom admin. This wrong path is the reason for that error. In order to solve this, log into cPanel and then go to File Manager section. Now here, under your WordPress installation, go inside WP content. Now go to Plugins directory. Now here, create a PHP file under Plugins directory. You can give that file any name like test.php. Now edit that PHP file. Now enter the given code to find WP admin in all of the plugins. This code will help you to find out where WP-admin is written. Now, if you hit this PHP file from outside via browser, then you will find the result. This will show you the list of path where WP admin, that is old path, is written. You need to replace each WP admin with your custom admin path. Now go to the file one by one, that is, go to the first file and then edit that file. Now if you press Ctrl H, which means find and replace, you can find WP admin and replace all such instances with your new customized path, that is custom admin in our case. In this way, all the occurrences will be replaced successfully. Similarly, do the same procedure for all of the files given in the search result. Now, if you again press Activate button, such error will not happen and the plugin will be activated successfully.